Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing this 4x4 lace closure wig from Cenny Hair, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review for another wig on Amazon, but this time it's going to be a human hair wig. I have the Cenny Hair short straight bob wig, human hair 10A Brazilian virgin human hair lace front wig, human hair for black women 4x4 lace closure human hair bob wigs, 150% density, natural hairline, 8-inch. I got the 8-inch bob and the 4x4 closure, 4x4 bob wigs, I guess. And it was $32.99. Alright, so when I got my package, it came in an Amazon bag, and then it has this packaging, this bag, nice. And then on the inside of the bag, there's some lashes, a wig cap, and the wig. And the wig has 2 combs. I guess if you want to add them on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. The hair doesn't really have a smell. That's cute. Cap construction. Alright, so there's the lace closure. It has 4 clips, 1 to the top, 1 to the bottom, and 1 on each side. It has adjustable straps. It has a little thing right here. I don't know what's that. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these knots because I don't know what y'all think. Alright, so I've gone ahead and bleached the knots and plucked the hairline off camera. And now I'm just putting on my stocking cap to see if I can get away with just a regular cap, and I can't, so I decided to go ahead and do the ball cap method in the area where the closure will be laying. To do this ball cap, I'm using my Got to Be Free spray. I'm going to be putting 3 layers and blow drying in between. And then I grabbed my black Radiance cream contour palette and I applied thin little layer just to get the cap to match the color of my skin. And then I grabbed my scissors and cut the excess lace off the front of the cap. And you see it's only sticking where my lace closure will be laying. And now I got the wig and I'm going to go ahead and add the makeup to the lace closure. And now to try it on. And I don't know if I mentioned this when I first took the wig out of the bag, but this wig came with a blunt, like straight across hairline, so I did a lot of plucking. And about these knots, like I got distracted while I was bleaching these knots and I had to stop and do something for my mom, so I ended up leaving it on way longer than I was supposed to and ended up over bleaching. So I'm not gonna be able to do much with this wig. I decided to just do a middle part, and I was able to fix the over bleach part. If you want a video of me showing how I fixed that, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll be sure to get that done for y'all. But anyways, back to this wig. So got my Murray's black beeswax to smooth down the frizzy hairs to the top, and I'm gonna comb it and then get my pressing comb to really like lay it down flat. And now this is what the closure looked like after I fixed the over bleach knots. So I'm letting you know, like, if you over bleach your knots, that does not mean you wasted the wig or wasted the lace. You can fix it, you can save it. There's some other videos on YouTube, and if you want me to make a video, I could do that. Just leave a comment or whatever. But but now I pulled down my baby hairs and apply a layer of Got to Be Free spray, and I'm tying it down with a black strip so that I can dry it to seal the wig in place while I'm styling it. So I will not be applying any glue. This will be a glueless install. Now I'm cutting the lace off using a regular like zigzag motion to give it that rugged edge. And then I'm gonna cut the baby hairs down and get my Tropical Roots foam to slay them. Alright, now once I'm done styling my baby hairs, then I go ahead and put my black strips so that I could dry it. And then I went ahead and got my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn and added the part and a little bit of makeup to the lace itself in the front to make it blend a little better. Alright, now all that's left was to style the wig, and I've gone ahead and flat iron and added a little bump to show the little layers, and that's what I was saying in the beginning of the video. It has like these little short pieces, but it gave like a little feathered bob look, so it's good. And this is the finished look. I just love the cut of this hair. Like, them short pieces ended up being really cute, and it laid so nice. I didn't have to put too much product on, just a little heat protectant. All the products that I use and some more hair information and a link to this wig is in my description box below if you're interested. Big shout out to Cenny Hair on Amazon, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Cenny. I love you so much. Mwah.